Hello and welcome to another of my test drive for your enjoyment and benefit. Here is a flex car from Ford that I have driven over 300 or 400 miles to be able to give you an opinion on this car. As you can see, it's a fairly large car. It's very roomy inside, and we are going to discover, how wide and how spacious it is inside. I really like the style, and I am surprised that the model did not sell better because it's a fairly attractive car. So let's go inside and see what the car has to deliver. So it's your typical keyless start and stop engine system. So up. You need to press the brake pedal as you are instructed on the dashboard, and it starts. One thing to know is that at the end you need to completely shut down, so you need to stop with the switch so that you power down all the lights, especially the outside lights. It took me a while to understand that. In the front you have a full navigation control smart system, which is fairly easy to use, and with all the typical air conditioning system, where you can have the dual or independent cooling system. So and it's a fairly powerful with the air conditioning. If we go back to the steering column, you have all the control, so the conventional in the back with the wiper, and then where you have the radio and the phone and all the command for the computer system, either on the left and on the right. So again, everything is very, very conventional. I'm not even going to speak, but I'm showing that, the various commands that you have on the doors, windows, closing all the doors. Now let's look at the back and the rear seat. So we have been traveling this week. We were two, folding the seats. You have some luggage compartment room. The point to notice is that if you have the 6-passenger version, so below where the luggage is resting, then the cargo capacity becomes very, very small. Here is the seat memory. A little bit more of a close-up on the central navigation and computer system. As you can see, on the left you have all the phone and Bluetooth. On the top right you have the navigation. On the bottom left you have the entertainment, and bottom right you have access to the climate control. Now they have kind of standardized the way it operates with all the brands, so no need to go further down. It's a very, very conventional navigation and management system of the car. So now this is a view from the rear of the car. Again, typical rear view camera, which is slightly above the handle section, and I'm going to open it for you. Here we go. As you can see, we have folded the second and the third row of seats to accommodate for more luggage space. We are traveling with a lot of hardware this week, so we needed that room. There is a kind of trunk well, but so in 6-passenger version, you will be missing some of the cargo space. Now let's have a look at the engine compartment bay. There is some space, so it's easier to work on some of the very compact engine bay. If you need to replace yourself a part or even go to a repair mechanic, you are not going to spend hours just to remove some of the plastic covers until you get to the faulty part. It seems to come in a multiple engine version, 3.5 liters, 3.7, 2 liters and 3.5. This one has a good kick and it was really pleasant to drive this car. Okay, so starting the engine. And let's see how works the rear view mirror. Yeah, that's a great help. Also, one of the accessories that I want to mention is on the mirror. If you look at the top left corner, and same on the other side on the top right, you have an aid in case a vehicle, another car is driving on your left side or your right side on the other side, and you get a warning. There is an orange light which is coming up. So let's back up a little bit. You have seen I got a warning that a car was driving behind me. So that's good help. Okay. So here is a last shot from the car. I think that if you want a kind of combination of a classy and a fairly bulky car, this is the right car for you. It has a very nice and appealing design, so you are going to travel in style, still with a very comfortable and functional car with enough space inside to accommodate either 4 with a lot of luggage or 6 passengers. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it will help you in your choices or opinion about this car.